Some people travel the world searching for inner peace. Others just walk into the Troodos Mountains and hope nature does the heavy lifting. This is Milia Bridge Trail, a place so serene it makes you wonder why you ever paid for that meditation app. The trail is linear, about 1 kilometer, which is exactly ideal for you if you want to go hiking, but you don't really want to exercise. It follows Kryos River, a stream that has mastered the art of sounding peaceful. Beneath your feet lies the Troodos of Ophiolite, a geological formation that used to be part of the ocean floor. And yes, you're walking on ancient seabed, but no, that doesn't mean you'll find seashells. And eventually, Milia Bridge appears. Built during the Venetian period in the 15th and 16th century, it once connected remote mountain communities. Today, it connects hikers with the realization that medieval people walk far more than we ever will. It's a single arched stone bridge built entirely from local rock. No modern tools, just human hands and the hope that gravity will cooperate. And it did, because the bridge is still here. Bridges like this in Cyprus, there are hundreds, and you'll find all over the island. And if you are lucky, like today, they're going to be loud because of water. And if you end up going to the bridges, don't forget to collect your litter. Yet, the real highlight, though, is the atmosphere. The sound of water echoing under the arch, the cool air settling in the porch, the trees whispering in the breeze, possibly about how nosy these humans are. People come here to relax, breathe, and experience what it's like to star in a nature documentary. And honestly, with this scenery, it's surprising convincing. So that's Milia Bridge Trail, a tiny slice of Cyprus where history, geology, and serenity meet, and politely ask you to keep your voice down.